So here are the units at the library we visited. Here's this Bryant, which off this time it has a Colpitch skull compressor. It's been running. It's from 2023. And it's 4-ton. And here's this Trane XR13. I actually found out that this one has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. It's from 2007. It's a 3-ton. It's also been running. And last time I thought this unit was a Bryant, just like that one. But my friend Andrew, he just told me that this unit is actually a day and night. Yeah, day and night. As you Colpitch skull compressor, the whole thing is painted gray. It's really nice. I think it's been running. Yeah. 2021 3-ton, I think. And here's this running. There's a climb tough reciprocating. Nice and cold and sweaty. '7 2-ton, 2.5-ton. I mean. And here's this one. This one I've never seen run. It also has climb type reciprocating. It's one 2007 and it's a 4-ton. So yeah. Get ready to get into actually library. And it looks like the library is still closed. That's why barely any of these units are running right now. But they all have been running except for that Ford train over there. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And over and out.